Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we are getting into one of the absolute biggest giveaways for you, where you can claim anywhere up to 5 to 10k with just a simple two-step process. Now guys, this is of course from Zalman and their monthly XRP 10% back that they're giving back to holders, and this is super easy to claim, one of the most simple and straightforward ways. All you have to do is go to voting-zalman.org. that's voting-zalman.org, and if you're not sure, check out the description below because I will have it linked down there. Now as you guys know, I'm a big fan of Zalman. I think they're one of the absolute best non-custodial wallets, and their safety and technology record is just absolutely impeccable. So like I said, if you're going to keep your keys off an exchange, which is what you should do, I definitely recommend Zalman. Now guys, back to it. Like I said, it'll take you to the official website. You can read through it. It'll obviously explain it in a lot more detail than me. This is obviously based, like I said, in two steps based on your amount that you hold with XRP or XRPL. So if you, for example, hold 50k in XRP, you'll be claiming back 5k just for following these simple steps. So the first step, guys, obviously would be to click on cast voting. You'll see there's many options to say start voting, and once you do, it'll prompt you to connect with your wallet, connect Ledger, Zalman, MetaMask, whatever. If you have multiple ones, connect with all of them, and obviously use your biggest wallet first, as you of getting back 10% based on what you have. So connect with the bigger wallets, but connect with all of them so that you can make, obviously, like I said, claim this with multiple wallets. There's absolutely no cap. As I know a lot of people do have this question, they obviously use multiple wallets, which is also a smart thing to do. Now anyway, once you connect with that, it'll prompt you to connect, and then it'll take you to the Votify app, which you will be casting your votes based on community things, issues that they want to be voting on, getting your input on crypto, on macro factors, on XRP, and kind of what the chain is up to, as well as kind of your thoughts and input. They do value input from their fans and the community members so much. But anyway, yeah, go and check it out. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward. And as you can see here, an absolutely incredible time to be getting into the market. Bitcoin has bounced off and is back into the 60s. I know it dipped below 16 as it had everyone quite worried for whether we were just going to be bleeding out. And as we can see, we're just in fear, a 30 index, which is incredible, and also basically at a neutral perspective between Bitcoin and altcoin season. As we can see that as soon as Bitcoin does anything, alts, meme coins, everything go up substantially. So incredible opportunity for you to get in. Like I said, you can make 10k, 20k, 5k, and it's an incredible opportunity for you to DCA in. This is how you will be making an insane amount of money when the market is down. So do not hesitate, go check it out. It comes with no risk. You don't have to spend any of your own money. Go and check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.